Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today we are going to be making Fattet Hummus. First, we're gonna start with the hummus. I'm using dried chickpeas because your hummus will taste fresher and have a much deeper flavor, whereas if you use canned chickpeas, your hummus will taste like garbage because canned chickpeas suck. So in a bowl, drown your chickpeas in plenty of water. Now the secret to tender and creamy hummus is baking soda because it breaks down the skins. So add 1 teaspoon and let them soak overnight. After they've fully soaked, drain, rinse, add them to a pot and cover with approximately twice their volume of water. Bring them to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer until they are super soft, skimming any chickpea foam and skins along the way. This will take around 40 to 60 minutes, so in the meantime, let's prepare the Laban and bread. Add the plain white yogurt and mix it until it becomes smooth. Next, add the lemon juice, the tahini or tahini. Crush 1 small clove of garlic and turn it into paste using your knife and salt as an abrasive. Add it to the yogurt and mix well. Season with salt and adjust the flavor to your liking. Now for the bread. Separate the Lebanese bread into 2 halves and brush them with a bit of olive oil. Toast them in the oven for about 10 minutes or until they become brown and crispy. When they're done, break them into bite-sized pieces and spread them evenly in your serving dish. I have to warn you that these are the most addicting things you will ever eat, and they are extremely hard to resist. So keep them away from children and hungry passerbys, or you will end up with nothing. Stop! Now back to the chickpeas. You'll know when the chickpeas are done when you can easily squeeze them. When you can easily squeeze them with no resistance. Add cumin. برو أطيب شي بالعالم الكمون والحمص, I swear. like هيك ريحتهم تعقد فيني أبكي. Next, we're gonna heat the Laban to blend the flavors together, but be careful not to boil. We just want to warm it up. Whisk continuously using the chickpeas as your double boiler for about 8 minutes or until it's warm. Pinky check for temperature. You want to scoop out some of that broth and pour it on the bread. Reserve a spoonful of chickpeas for garnish, then spread the hummus evenly on top of the bread. Then pour the Laban evenly on top of the hummus. There might be a bit of reserve, but that's okay. Fry some pine nuts with butter until they're golden brown, but be very, very careful not to burn them because pine nuts burn easily and I burned them. But it's okay, they're still edible, and pour them over the Laban.
It's been 5 hours.
I'm filming! Sprinkle some paprika, a bit of parsley, the reserved chickpeas, and some pomegranate seeds.
Can I eat them بعد 10 ثواني?
I always have fattet with green onions, radishes, and mint leaves because they go great with it. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Jean, شيل شوكتك شيلها. We are going to make
Fattet hummus. You can't do it.
These are bad, wait.
No.
No, they're soft, they're too soft.
You.
No, wait.
You are bad.
Wait. Click, 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 click.
I'm done.
Click, 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 click.
I'm done.